Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well in home, everybody. I know that in this pandemic we learn everything from home, and I have told you that I'll do everything of my video only in Tamil, but few of my friends are in other state and their mother tongue is different, so it would be helpful for them too if I speak English. And of course, my video is all about English today. So I want to share you something up to all parents and teachers about a channel that is called Mommy's Teaching Chronicle. It's all about teachers and parents and teaching aids that we can use. I have given that in the description box. Please check it out and click subscribe for them too. And today we are going to learn about, yes, it's about telephone phrasal verbs. We make many mistakes when we speak through phone or when we want to tell someone to wait to pick up the call or something. Those phrases are that we are going to learn today. So let's start. The first word we are going to learn is pick up. We use pick up for many different sentences, but for phone, it's called to answer the phone. When you make call for someone and you want them to pick up the phone, isn't it? So, for example, sentence that I want to tell you is, could you please pick up the call for me? Okay. And the next sentence is, why is he not picking up the call? The next phrase is, put through. Put through means you want to contact somebody through phone, but that mobile number is not theirs and you want to call them right now. See, example is you are just calling to school office and you want to talk to the class teacher. How can you ask that? Could you please put me through the class teacher of my son? Okay. So now let's go into the third phrase, that is hang on or hold on. Hang on is an informal way, whereas hold on is a formal way. See, hang on and hold on means to wait for a while. See, example sentence is, please hold on for a minute. Okay? When you speak, you want that person to wait for a minute, then you can say, please hang on or hold on. The next phrase is call back or ring back. What is meant by that? To return a phone, call later. See, when you want to when you're very busy and you want that person to call later, so you can say that I'll call you back later or I'll ring you back later. Okay? Or you also can say I'll return a call later. Now let's go into our fifth phrase, that is speak up. When can we use this phrases? If the person is speaking very in a low voice, then you can say, could you please speak up? Speak up means to speak louder. When you're calling someone and that person is speaking in a very low voice, then you can use this phrase that, could you please speak up? Or, hey, speak up, I couldn't hear you. The sixth phrase is jailed off or cut off. What is by jailed off or cut off is interrupt a telephone conversation. See, due to bad network or bad connection, the telephone conversation may stop immediately, isn't it? On that time, you can use the phrase jailed off or cut off. Sentences, oh, well, the call was cut off. The seventh and final phrase that we are going to see is hang up. Hang up means to end the call. If you are very angry or you just want to end the call, you can say, okay, I want to hang up, I am busy. And you can say that if your mother is very angry and she hanged up the call, my mother was very busy and she hanged up the call. That's all for today, and if you like my video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe. Bye-bye.